4 competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion.
There's 2 ingredients in this basket I've never seen before. The chicken in the can. Also, this is ezote flour.
It's the flower of a yucca plant.
But it also looks like it's pickled or preserved or something.
Chicken in a can. When did they start doing that?
I don't believe there are any ezote flowers floating around Minnesota. My approach is to dredge it in flour and fry it. And I've got this smoked butter.
If I win, then I can prove to my parents that what I'm doing is worthwhile.
If I win chopped, it's not going to be because someone else had a bad day. It's going to be out of sheer superiority. So I hope I don't choke.
Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And we are looking at ezote flowers, smoked butter, rhubarb, and a chicken in a can. Only 20 minutes for the appetizer course. Time starts now.
Oh my God.
Once my blood started pumping, I didn't worry about anything else around me. I put the chicken in the smoked butter. Everything's good with butter.
I can't even remember the last time I cooked meat that came from a can. So I'm making my crunchy rhubarb salad and then a softer, warmer chicken salad.
I'm kind of nervously excited that the broth tastes good. My plan is to make a creamy chicken soup with the smoked butter to add a little bit of smokiness, possibly make you imagine that the chicken was a roasted chicken.
Let's see. Canned chicken. What? No way. I actually used to make canned chicken from scratch with my mother. In the morning, there was a live chicken in the yard, and that night, it was in a jar on the shelf. I want to crisp the chicken up. I'm avoiding bones by just focusing on the breast meat. If you go below the drumstick, there is a needle bone that will break into 1,000 pieces and choke you.
I've added some raw mushroom within the soup. It's not adding in flavor, it's absorbing other flavors within the soup.
Something smells burning.
It's that. Something on Helen's.
That's gonna go up.
It's Helen's.
Oh.
There is something burning in the
It's on
pan.
fire now.
Yeah, there's definitely a fire on Helen's station.
I don't think it's a reason to lose your head about it. We put out fires all the time.
Oh my God, this is hard.
Woo!
Chefs, you're at 45 seconds.
Time's running out. I have a lot riding on this competition. I would love to be able to fly my family out here. Not finishing is not an option for me.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Van.
So today I prepared a hot and a cold salad. The cold salad being rhubarb, celery, and goat cheese. And then the warm salad is the canned chicken with sauteed radicchio.
Next, we go to Chef Ryan.
Today, I made a crispy canned chicken salad with fried ezote flowers and sliced rhubarb.
Chef Helen.
I made cream of chicken soup. I infused the broth from the chicken with fresh herbs and a little bit of lemon zest.
And finally, Chef Ronnie.
What I made for you today is a sauteed chicken salad. I sauteed it in the smoked butter, and I also made a basil ezote flower vinaigrette.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Van, you've been chopped. Chef Ryan, Chef Helen, Chef Ronnie, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are yellow miso, pork shoulder, mountain yam,
And I pull out this thing, I don't know what the hell it was.
and astronaut ice cream.
No way.
You will have 30 minutes this time. Clock starts now.
Oh my God.
And I figured, let me just cut this into nice little portion chops, season up really well. That's kind of like my strong point. I like to really create blends and stuff like that. Spice of life right there.
I cut the best parts out of this pork shoulder, and I marinate it in things that are gonna caramelize. The miso, soy sauce, because I'm about to grill this really quickly. It needs to take the flavor in the time that I have.
So I'm gonna make a braising liquid. Attempting to braise it in 30 minutes is a pretty big risk. People usually braise things for hours. I have to do it in 30 minutes, so fingers crossed.
I'm really worried I'm not gonna finish. I really, really am pushing to just be faster, and I'm screaming in my own head, go, go, go.
20 seconds.
Oh man, that's not looking good. I can't use my braising liquid as a sauce. It's way too salty. I put too much miso in. But I'm hoping that the miso flavor had enough time to penetrate the pork.
10,
I want the judges to see that I should win. I really, really have to make it good.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Ryan.
I found it very challenging, but I made a yellow miso braised pork shoulder with mountain yam, Granny Smith, and astronaut ice cream salad.
Chef Helen.
I made a marinated grilled pork with mountain yam salad and astronaut ice cream miso sauce.
Chef Ronnie.
All right, how you doing? I prepared for you guys a spiced marinated pork shoulder served with a coconut miso sauce with smashed mountain yam and potatoes.
Chef Ryan. Chef Helen. Chef Ronnie. Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Ryan, you've been chopped. Chef Helen, Chef Ronnie, how do you like your chances now?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Desserts are definitely not my thing. I'm really, really worried because Ronnie is making things that the judges really like.
Helen is a shark, but if I focus on my flavors, I think I can beat her.
Please open your baskets. And for your desserts, you must use margarita mix, quick cook grits, Marionberry preserves, and vanilla yogurt.
This basket was oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
30 minutes on the clock this time, chefs. Time starts now.
I decided to just make a compote with the Marionberry. I hope I win just off the flavor by itself. My kids will be proud of me. Just to see their father actually making it to the third round.
I'm gonna make a sauce with a little bit of the ginger. When you would mean the long hours, the lack of social life, were the right decisions to be where I am today in my career.
Looks like Helen is actually slicing that jelly roll now. It's very impressive, actually.
Super creative on her part.
Are these desserts as irresistible as they should be, chefs?
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Good job, here.
Chef Helen.
It's a berry and grits roulade with yogurt sauce.
Chef Ronnie.
What I prepared for you is creamy grits with currants, served with a Marionberry and margarita sauce, topped with a yogurt and rum whipped cream.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
I knew it.
I took another step towards it and I was like, is that mine?
Chef Ronnie,
Yeah,
you've been chopped.
okay.
And that means, Chef Helen Park, that you are the chopped champion. 3 plates of food, $10,000, not a bad day's work. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
You know, you had to give it to you. You brought it.
Clearly, you're a perfectionist.
Yes.